Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an impressive machine that combines performance, technology, and comfort to deliver an exceptional riding experience. With a peak power of 1800 W, this bike is more than capable of handling various terrains, making it perfect for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The motor provides strong acceleration, allowing riders to effortlessly tackle steep hills and rough paths. One of the standout features of the M1 Pro is its robust design. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. This makes the bike both sturdy and easy to maneuver. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars contribute to a comfortable riding posture, which is particularly beneficial for longer rides. The bike's suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride even on bumpy surfaces. The Aipas M1 Pro is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range. Depending on the terrain and riding conditions, riders can expect to cover up to 50 miles on a single charge. The battery can be easily removed for charging, adding convenience for those who may not have easy access to power sources while out and about. Safety is also a priority with this bike. It features front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions. The bright LED lights ensure visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing security for the rider. Another notable aspect is the bike's sleek design, which combines modern aesthetics with functional features. The LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing riders to track their performance easily. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike offers an outstanding blend of power, comfort, and style. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or explore new adventures off the beaten path. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or new to electric bikes, the M1 Pro proves to be a reliable and thrilling ride that meets various needs.